Good morning, Internet. Good morning, Ignition Marketing Unity Network community. Thank you to Bro J.R. Dino for asking the question for Excel. What if you have a list which contains different name formats? Yung iba po may comma, like itong last name, comma, first name. Iba po, walang comma. By the way, I'm Manny Viloria of Truly Rich Pinoy, and thank you for watching this Excel tutorial. So getting back, the trick is to separate the name, kasi ito isang cell lang, no, into separate cells. And to do that, to get the first name after a comma, ito po yung formula, equal sign trim. You may pause the video to copy the formula if you wish. Equal sign trim, open quotation, open parenthesis, right, open parenthesis A2, comma, LEN, open parenthesis A2, close parenthesis, minus find, open parenthesis, quotation mark, comma, A2, and then tatlong close parenthesis. And that will give you this. Meron pong trim, kasi kung walang trim, masasama yung space before the name Jose. So by putting the trim, it will just be Jose. Okay? And then how do you get Manalo? This is the part of the string that's to the left of the comma. Ito po yung formula. Equal sign left, open parenthesis A2, comma, find, open parenthesis, quotation mark, comma, A2, close parenthesis, minus 1, para hindi masama yung comma, and then close parenthesis, and that will give you here Manalo. So when you do it this way, it's easier to compare your lists kasi there's a way to make all of your names look the same, hindi yung may comma o yung wala. Obviously, this formula will not work on Juan de la Cruz kasi nga po walang comma sa Juan de la Cruz. So ang diskarte dito ay we have to sort our list so that all of those with commas are together and all of those without commas are together. And to do that, you have to use or create a column, call it find comma, and then the formulas here will be equal sign find, open parenthesis, quotation mark, comma, A2, close parenthesis. And then when you do a sort command, which will be covered in a different tutorial, all of those with numbers here will be together. These are the ones with commas. And those without commas will be together. They'll have this value here. Okay? So once you've sorted it this way, pwede mo na itong copyin sa ibang sublist. And then when you have it in that sublist, gamitan nyo nitong formula para mahiwala yung names. That way, you can later on decide to combine, like here. Equal sign this and this. Okay. I'll give this video time to zoom into this area here. And when you press enter, kita nyo, Jose Manalo, may mali. Ulitin natin. Equal sign, then click on this cell, and then press the ampersand key, quotation mark, space, quotation, and then the ampersand symbol, and then click on this. So parang yung laman ni B2, and a space, and yung laman ng C2. And when you press equal sign, so now we have converted this format, Manalo, Jose, into Jose space Manalo. Okay? So until the next tutorial or video, ako po si Manny Viloria na nagsasabing invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat. Bye!